Nike Football's next-generation Mercurial Vapor 17 and Superfly 11 were unveiled shortly before the 2026 World Cup. Yet they are already racking up new colorways. For their latest update, this speed-focused duo has traveled back to 2002 with a Scorpion-inspired design. Following the debut of the special edition CR7 Gold Scorpion for Cristiano Ronaldo, Nike has now launched a broader range of colorways for the Mercurial Vapor 17 and Superfly 11, known as the Scorpion Pack. Stay here to discover all the details about the new Scorpion Pack, released for the Mercurial Vapor 17 and Superfly 11. Nike has a long history with the Scorpion, dating back to the epic 2002 Secret Tournament campaign, undoubtedly one of the best ever seen on screen. The commercial featured 24 of the era's top footballers, including Ronaldinho, Thierry Henry, Luis Figo, and Paul Scholes, divided into 8 teams of 3. These teams were invited to compete in a secret tournament refereed by the legendary Eric Cantona, played under first goal wins rules. Compared to Adidas and Puma, Nike was still a relatively new player on the global football stage. However, Secret Tournament, sometimes referred to as Scorpion KO or The Cage, demonstrated that the brand had a clear vision of its style of play: fast, lethal, and spectacular. The Scorpion, a motif spray-painted throughout the campaign visuals, perfectly captured Nike's identity, a fact also reflected in its roster of sponsored athletes. Throughout the years, Nike has referenced the Scorpion in marketing and product, with the most recent example being Cristiano Ronaldo's Gold Scorpion Superfly 11. A newly surfaced duo of the company's next-gen Mercs further nod to the lethal creature, delivering an eye-catching aesthetic to those willing to fill in the boots of Ronaldo Nazario, Francesco Totti, Ruud van Nistelrooy, and others. Now comes this wider release of the Scorpion-inspired Mercurials. Vinicius Jr. and Kylian Mbappe will wear the Vapor 17 and Superfly 11, respectively, during the World Cup knockout stages. From a design standpoint, this drop leans heavily into that shared identity. And despite now once again being significantly different boots under the hood, the Scorpion Pack brings the Vapor 17 and Superfly 11 together visually. Both arrive wrapped in a bold gradient that fades from vibrant pinks and purples at the keel into fiery reds and oranges through the forefoot, creating a look that feels fast, even when stood still. It's loud, it's unapologetic, and it's very mercurial. The details don't stop there either. A semi-translucent sole plate carries that same gradient effect underfoot, tying the whole aesthetic together nicely for those little glimpses you get mid-stride. Up top, a Scorpion logo sits proudly on the collar, nodding to the lineage. It's a mark we last saw on the Phantom GT Scorpion boots back in 2020, and its return here helps connect the dots between past and present. All in all, this drop taps into Nike's rich storytelling vault, while delivering something that still feels modern and relevant on pitch. With players like Mbappe and Vinicius Jr. set to showcase them on the biggest stage, don't be surprised if this pack quickly becomes one of the standout Mercurial moments of the year. The Nike Mercurial Superfly Scorpion Pack boots are expected to go on sale via Nike.com and select retailers on Thursday, July 9th, priced at $280 Vapor 17 and $315 Superfly 11. Subscribe now to Station Kicks on YouTube and follow us on all our social media channels to receive the latest releases and learn all about the world of sports. Join now! Thanks for watching Station Kicks and Footgear on YouTube. Check out our guides and join us in every video. For more exclusive content, subscribe now.